Now, we will learn in detail the different types of sample probes. The fixed open probes are typically made of short lengths of 316 stainless steel pipe or tube, 1/4 or 3/4 inch outside diameter. Used at temperatures to approximately 1000 degrees Fahrenheit 540 degrees Celsius. For higher temperatures, other materials are used for sample probe manufacturing such as glass, Inconel or ceramic. Insertion open probes or retractable probes. Insertion probes are used when the pipeline is subjected to pigging operation we have discussed before, or the probe need to be cleaned periodically. Insertion probes should have a mechanical restraining device to prevent the probe from blowing out when the packing gland is loosened. To prevent probe damage, all sampling probes should have a means to judge when the probe is pulled out past the valve. Let us check this instructional video about retractable sample probe from Conax, one of the best manufacturers of this type of probes. Multiport sample averaging probes. They are used to obtain a sample whose composition is an average of that existing across the entire duct or stack. Averaging is not normally attempted in ducts or stacks under 2 feet in diameter. Multiple probe sample averaging is frequently used with ducts or stacks of large boilers and heaters, in which stratification may be a problem, or where required by compliance regulations. The preferred insertion length and the maximum number of holes may be obtained from this figure. Filter probes are generally used in gas streams such as combustion applications when the stream contains significant quantities of particulate material. The filter materials used are primarily sintered or woven stainless steel or various ceramics. These probes must always be located in the process duct in a manner that minimizes their exposure to particulate matter, or else frequent cleaning will be required. Locating the probe inside and just downstream of a bend, or adding baffles just upstream of the probe minimizes the probe exposure. A filter probe must always be operated at a temperature well above the dew point temperature of the stream in which the probe is inserted in. Filter probes can be cleaned by removal of the probe from service. However, a more common method is a blowback system, which introduces air, nitrogen, or steam into the sample line to blow back through the filter in the reverse direction. This may be done manually when the sample flow begins to drop to unacceptable levels or automatically at preset intervals. Note that the blowback gas should be above the dew point to prevent temperature condensation in the sample lines or filter probe, and must be compatible with the process stream.